Hello kids, welcome to my channel The Learning Hub Pampa Majumdar. We have already learnt about phonic sound of alphabets A to Q, and today again we are going to learn about few more phonic sound of alphabet R to V. So let's start today's entertaining session. This is letter R. Letter R. R says R. R says R. Children, have you ever seen a puppy? You have seen a puppy definitely, haven't you? So pretend to be a puppy pulling a rag and shake your head from side to side. This is a rag. And yes, do this action. Now listen very carefully. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. Once more. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag. When he pulls so hard. So R says R says R for rag. Rag. R for rat. Rat. R for rose. Rose. R for ring. Ring. R for rabbit. Rabbit. So R says Now we go on to the next letter. Look very carefully. Which letter is this? Letter S. And observe very carefully. Letter S looks like a snake. And S for snake. What is the sound of snake? S. And what is the sound of letter S? S. Very good. So children, to remember the sound of letter S, we have to remember the picture of snake in the mind. So what is the sound of letter S? S. To remember the sound of letter S, let's sing an accent song. Everyone wave your hand like this, like a snake. So let's sing the song. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S. S. The snake is in the grass. Once more. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. S. S. The snake is in the grass. So the S says S. S. S for snake. S. S. Snake. S for sun. S. S. Sun. S for sunflower. S. S. Sunflower. S for snail. S. S. Snail. S for soup. Yummy, yummy soup. S. S. Soup. So S says, do like this. S. Now we go on to the next letter. That is letter T. This is letter T. T. T says ta. Ta, ta. Children, do you watch the tennis game? Where the ball goes from one side to other. Move your head from side to side as you are watching the tennis game. So let's sing an action song. When I watch the tennis game, ta 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 ta. When I watch the tennis game, ta 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 ta. My head goes back and forth. Once more. When I watch the tennis game. Ta 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 ta. When I watch the tennis game. Ta 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 ta. My head goes back and forth. So T says ta ta ta. T for tennis. Ta ta tennis. T for tiger. Ta ta tiger. T for tomato. Ta ta tomato. T for telephone. Ta ta telephone. T for tap. Ta ta tap. Now we will learn the next letter, that is letter U. Which letter is this? U. U says a. So everyone pretend that you are holding an umbrella and you want to open it. It's very hard to open. So let's sing the song. Up goes the umbrella. Up goes the umbrella when it starts to rain. So U says once more. Up goes the umbrella. Up goes the umbrella when it starts to rain. So U says U for umbrella. Umbrella. U for urn. Urn. U for up. Up. U for under. Under. Now the next letter is letter V. This is letter V. V. V says V. V. Assume there is a little boy named Vicky. Vicky is with a van. Vicky is with a van. So to remember the sound of letter V, let's sing an accent song. So everyone drive a van. Drive Vicky's van round the village. Drive Vicky's van round the village. Drive Vicky's van round the village. V. Once more. Drive Vicky's van round the village. Drive Vicky's van round the village. V. So V says V. Very careful. V. Good. V for van. Van. V for vulture. Vulture. V for violin. Violin. V for vegetables. Vegetables. So what is the sound of letter V? V. Very good. Let's recall one more time. R says R. S says S. T says T. U says A. U says A. V says V. So children, these are all different alphabets that have different sounds, and it's a very useful topic for you all. I hope you all liked it. If you like this video, then I have a small kind request. Please subscribe my channel, The Learning Hub Pompa Majumdar, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get regular updates. So thanks for watching video. Bye bye.